Shower.
I'm the new cameraman.
It's your boy Monday Hater, and
What the?
Oh my god.
why?
Why don't I know my favorite?
Not subscribe or like? Do it right now.
Exactly. In 3.
I saw the booty. I saw the.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Monday Hater, and we're back in another video. And today's video is part 2 of a mukbang. So this time I brought a guest of mine, and you guys know him. It's your favorite, one and only Gabriel.
Yeah.
So basically, we're gonna be eating some food, just talk about life. I know. So I got a 20-piece McNugget, 2 large fries, and he got I guess a box of fries and a 20-piece McNugget too. So now, and he also, what is this? Buffalo sauce?
Yeah.
He got buffalo sauce, not just just a regular plain,
That's good.
And we got some Kool-Aid too. Great.
Wait.
Wait. Yes. Yes. So you want to talk about how you've been doing so far? Ever since the last time you've been on my video?
It took a while because my dad wouldn't let me sleep over. That's the only way I can do videos.
Yeah, it's all good now. But yeah, so what have you been doing for the past couple weeks? And so, I remember the last time we were, I was at your house, and we were basically
Riding the bike.
riding a bike. Well, Gia and Nino were just washing his car, and they were also playing football too. So yeah, the clip should be not the clip, but like the video should be like right here. So yeah, that was like a fun day right there.
Go watch that video.
Yeah, make sure listen to it. Make sure you watch that video. I'm gonna bring the camera over here. It looks like you're kind of like actually wait. Bring your chair over here a little closer, because it looks like you're going more to the other side. Yes, the closer the better. All right, perfect. Cause I just noticed that you're more to the right. So yeah.
Cheers.
Maybe the next time we should do a challenge to see who can eat the fastest.
Should we do it right now?
I don't have another phone to do the timer. But next week we could do that. If you guys like this video and comment down below, challenge started. Basically, and I'll know that you guys want to see the challenge where who can eat the fastest.
Make sure they comment for more videos and what videos should we do.
More content and stuff, yeah. I was just telling them yesterday about it. About make some more videos. Like, you should definitely comment down below. Any stuff you guys want, any games, doesn't matter. I'll do anything. All you gotta do is comment down below. And we're at 100.
Oh yeah, gears.
Gears of War. Oh no, we can't do that. Maybe. But we're at 117 subscribers, so we're almost there at my little goal, 120. So make sure you guys subscribe.
If you guys do that, we're gonna have a surprise.
Yes. We will surprise.
Excuse me.
Bro, watch your manners, bro. Number 1 in this channel, you gotta. Oh no, bro, what you doing, bro? No food fighting. Oh, that's rule number 2. No food fighting. Number 1 is manners.
If you don't let me do my thing, I'm gonna expose you.
For what? Ooh.
I don't want to say it on the camera right now.
And then, me and my dad been discussing about we should do some, ghost videos.
Some gears videos.
No, but for real, all jokes aside, he been talking about, hey, we should go to the train tracks where there's speaking of which, we got a dog right here, bigger for food. Okay, here. Okay, all right. They do tricks too. We got 3 dogs. 1 dog is the biggest one. She'll sit, and she would, if you put it high enough, she would jump and she'll catch it. The other one's just, I don't know, we're still trying to train her. Then the other one's simple. You just Tell her to stand on her 2 feet, and she'll stand. That's a cool part. Damn. We still basically just grab the spicy buffalo sauce right there. See, looks I don't know if it's bad for now, but you just open it and you just put it all over to your stone. Alright, but anyways, back to eating.
Nom, 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 nom.
Just to really bit my finger. I don't know if you guys seen that, but we're gonna do the replay of that, man. If I already did. You really bit my finger. Man, he a dog, dude. He's like my first and the oldest dog. She don't care. She'll bite you, but it doesn't hurt either. She'll bite your fingers. Yeah, and don't hurt.
Whoa.
Speaking of which, alright, watch this. Oh, so there's a story that his old turtle, now we have 2 turtles, so it was his old turtle, but then, you know, his dad didn't want a turtle. So my dad was like, no, give it to me. I was like, man, more work? Basically, that's what I said. And a couple months later, right after that incident, when we got the turtle, after that, basically what happened is that turtle bites. Likes to bite. It's a male. And somehow I guess my dad was just messing around and he got a nice good chunk off his finger. Bit. That was crazy. And that's the day I was like, I'm gonna touch that turtle.
I never knew Billy was that savage.
If I could just have a picture of the turtle and just put like the glasses and the savage. That'd be cool.
We should show them the turtle.
After we eat. Oh, yeah, this is actually
Stay
good.
to the end to watch the turtle.
Yes. And just watch us eat food, you know.
I kind of feel bad because we're making people hungry.
Some of them are probably eating right now by him. That's fine.
No, it isn't fun. It'll help the community.
Slightly down there. Hey, spray ball. Spray ball. This dude really just finished his whole Kool-Aid. Yeah, I'm not even trying to drink all of it. So I guess me and him are different. So I eat my the main food of it, which is the in this case the chicken nuggets, and after I save the fries for the best. But he's different. He eats the fries and then he eats the chicken nuggets for the last, which he calls it the best.
I'm not gonna lie, the fries are good.
Fries are good. They're the best. So right now there are dogs that are staring at us, and I think they might attack us. Yeah. Ah. So, are you excited? So far, ever since summer started, are you doing any fun adventures lately, or no?
We're playing video games.
True.
And I stayed up until 5 in the morning playing with my friends.
What is your... Ooh, we should do a pop quiz, actually. A little pop quiz, and stay tuned for the end of the video. So, pop quiz for Gabriel. You guys have to comment down below and you guys see this. Let me think of one. How old is Gabriel Ramos, the junior? Comment down below.
I'm telling you, I'm 6. Oh, my heart problem.
You're not 6.
I'm saying.
Wrong answer, but just wait to stay tuned to the end of the video.
I'm 5 years old.
Now, we're gonna guess my pop quiz for Anthony, aka Monday here. Do you got a question that they want to answer? Like just like name a question about me, like anything, like what's his favorite color, how tall is he, or whatever. You know what I mean?
His favorite color is easy.
That's too easy. That's an easy question. Okay, next one.
Oh, your favorite food?
What's my? Oh yeah, actually yeah. What is Monday Here's favorite food? Comment down below and stay tuned to the end, and we will show the answers for you. All right. I'm gonna eat 2 at a time. Ready? Yeah. 2 McNuggets. Look at this.
2 McNuggets.
Looks so good. So sorry if I'm teasing. I really am. This is the only thing I can think of. But the next video would not be a mukbang, so you know, just a round of applause. Yes. So now let's just eat this 2-piece. I bet you can't eat more than 2 pieces at a time. Try beating me.
Bet.
So I'm gonna try to eat 2. And now he's about to get 2, about to get 3. Show the camera real quick. You know what? I'm gonna add 3, and I'm gonna add 4. Wow, this is a lot. Bro, your mouth cannot open that wide. How much? Oh, he made it. How much is that? Let me see.
5.
1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. My hands are clean by the way, so y'all like, oh, he's done his food. That'll count. Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ready?
Oh.
No. Ready. Look at this. Oh my god, look like a sandwich. Ready?
Like 8.
You can't do that. There was no way. I'm gonna try 7. Can I get a nugget? Because I don't have enough. Because I just ate. This is all my nuggets. I ate all of this. This is 2, 3, 4. Let me go on. 2, actually.
You lost your challenge.
I'll give you 2. I'll give you more fries. Like, for 3 fries. Please?
Fine, 1.
3.
3?
Wait, hold on. Let me count.
No, bro.
Wait, how much you ate? How much you ate at once?
8.
Okay, hold on, wait. Let me get 2 then. Sorry, I didn't make 3, I made 2.
Fine, give me more fries. Alright, here you go.
Yeah, beat that. Now I got my eating 9 McNuggets now.
Oh, what'd you say?
Alright, watch this. Look at this. We're just being a mess right now. Look at this. Okay.
I know.
Bro, I can't even squish it because if I squish it, look.
Oh.
The food, get the food. She's gonna eat it.
Okay, she can eat.
Not ready?
Nah.
Alright, we're making this mukbang bad. We're trying to do it anymore.
Oh, that's
But I beat him still by 1.
What do you mean?
No. We don't want to be kind of weird, you know? Being disgusting.
Yeah. Trust me, I ain't weird. He is.
Don't believe him. Okay.
Dude, I'm about to expose you right now. Say you're weird.
Anyways, so you know, I'm just eating food. This is good.
Guys, look. Fries.
Comment down below what you like to put. What's your favorite sauce in McDonald's?
That's good. Mine's is buffalo.
What do you like to put in your nuggets?
Buffalo.
Oh, so do you?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. And I like ranch. But buffalo wings since I like that spicy.
On top of the side, what's the weirdest thing you've ever done with food? Now we're down to 2 fries now. Look at this. Oh my god. Look at that. That's so good. Kind of glad I ordered this.
Actually, I don't know. Oh yeah, I remember I was being a superhero one time.
Alright.
And I saved Alex. And my main thing was to put a pickle on my head.
That's interesting.
Super pickle.
Excuse me.
And trust me, I'm weird like this. I'm not just faking it.
I'm weird. I'm weird too.
No, you like watching stuff at night.
Hmm?
You like watching movies at night.
Yeah, on my channel, man. If you subscribe, you'll see more of these good videos. Hit it up, hit it up. I don't know how to. Right. So I'm gonna throw it and you're gonna hit it, right? No, not.
I don't get it.
No, hit the. Oh my god. Never mind.
What am I supposed to get?
Oh wow. Excuse me.
No, excuse you.
All right, we're back. And you want some more Kool-Aid?
Yeah,
All right.
I'm a Kool-Aid.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
Do you want me to tell them or you can tell them?
I'm gonna tell him.
All right, so go ahead and tell them. So this is a story what you call
Online dating.
pretty much actually, if you think about it. This was the quickest date he ever had, by the way. So
Well, that was Johnny that did it.
Oh, okay. Go ahead. Speak your stuff real quick. Oh, look,
One
look,
time-
oh wait. Look at this. Hey, look at this. Look at this. Sip real quick. Sip real quick. Spill the tea. You get it? I just gave you some Kool-Aid. Alright.
Alright.
But for real, go ahead and spill the tea, bro. For real. We all want to know what happened.
I was watching my brother playing games on Roblox.
Bro.
And
Do you want to see how this
he
is
met
going
this. He met this
Wait,
girl,
hold on, pause.
and he thought he was a girl.
You know, you already know who it is. In all the videos, they won.
Hello. The Queen Alyssa.
Queen _ Alyssa. That's her old Instagram.
Shout her out.
Oh
That's
yeah.
my Snapchat.
Alright, so we're gonna do some shoutouts right now. So we got 1, 2 shoutouts for today. Shit, oh my Kool-Aid.
One more drink.
Bro, man.
Bye, YouTube.
Man, you don't even know she has the corona. You don't know she has the corona, man. I'm just wiping it because you never know she has the corona, man.
What do
Alright.
you mean?
I'm playing, it's a joke.
You literally eat fries off the table.
By the way, guys, it's a joke. You know, I'm just messing around. I'm just, you know, sometimes I'm a little bit germophobic.
Can you open this for me?
Hmm?
Can you open this for me?
Mm-hmm. Alright, let's talk about your life. About the Roblox, right? Oh yeah.
Yeah, my brother was playing Roblox. And he found this girl. And then he's like, oh, do you want... He's like, yeah, girl. And he's like... She just stayed quiet. He's like, yeah, my baby, I got her.
So short stories, just put it like this. They somehow play a game called Roblox. If you Roblox people liked this game, like this video, comment down below Roblox. Anyways, so somehow him and his little brother were playing Roblox.
What do you mean?
and-
I was watching him.
Oh, excuse me. Let me correct that. He was watching his brother playing Roblox, and I guess his brother had a Roblox girlfriend. And they, so let's put it like this. Okay, let's put it like this because you're confusing me right now. So he had a Roblox girlfriend, and there's an actual girl, but I guess somehow at the background of that person's mic was some dude, right?
Yeah, boy.
Oh, okay.
A young boy.
Okay, so it wasn't catfish. Excuse me. All right. I was about to say, like, bro, he got catfish. which that's wrong, but that's whatever. So you know what? This video is very long, and I'm just gonna have to edit it out, make it short. So I'm just gonna end it there. If you guys like this video, what do we always do?
Yeah.
Alright, so if you guys like this video, like and subscribe, tell all your friends about me, give me some shout outs so you know we have a bigger family. I'm trying to get up to 120 for the big surprise, you know. Comment down below, like, as a matter of fact, if you get 120, comment down below what video do you recommend me to do. And subscribe to Money Haters, like the video, comment down below. Yeah, that's pretty much, so stay tuned for the next video. Peace.